Aves, or birds, are a class of feathered, winged, bipedal, warm-blooded vertebrates. Let's explore their characteristics in detail. Defining characteristics. Feathers. Unique to birds, feathers provide insulation, aid in flight, and are used for display and communication. Different feather types contour, down, flight serve specific functions. Beak. Birds possess beaks, toothless jaws adapted to their varied diets. Beak shape reflects dietary specialization, e.g., hooked beaks for carnivores, slender beaks for nectarivores. Wings. Modified forelimbs that enable flight in most species, though some birds are flightless, e.g., ostriches. Wing shape and size are adapted to different flight styles, e.g., soaring, flapping. High metabolic rate. Birds maintain a high metabolic rate, requiring efficient respiratory and circulatory systems to support their energy needs, especially during flight. Lightweight skeleton. Many bird bones are hollow or pneumatic, reducing weight without sacrificing strength. Fused bones, e.g., furcula, synsacrum, provide structural support for flight reproduction. Birds are oviparous, laying hard-shelled eggs. Many species exhibit extensive parental care. Endothermy. Birds are endothermic, warm-blooded, regulating their internal body temperature regardless of environmental conditions. Classification and evolution. Aves are classified into two subclasses: Archaeorniths, extinct, toothed birds, and Neorniths, modern birds, toothless. Their evolutionary history traces back to the Jurassic period, with significant diversification following the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. The evolution of feathers played a crucial role in their success, initially for insulation and display, later for flight. Ecological roles and threats. Birds play vital ecological roles as pollinators, seed dispersers, predators, and prey. They serve as indicator species, reflecting the health of their environment. However, various threats, including